There was no doubt it was a daunting task. I know that we had to rerun all schedules at the beginning of this semester because we had brand new room numbers. I think it took everyone about 2 or 3 days to settle in and to find their way, but it's exciting. You walk into a brand new classroom, brand new furniture. The furniture that we have in all of our classrooms, there can be several different configurations that will lend itself to collaborative learning and different learning assignments that their teachers have. Right now, we are currently in Building A. A total of 3 buildings were constructed. Buildings A, B, and C. They do house, in this building alone, we have 47 brand new classrooms. Most of our core classes, with the exclusion of science, are housed here, so math, English, social studies, along with career and technical education classes.
I love it. I think it's very beautiful. Like every time I walk through the hallways, I love to see how everything has been set up, especially the new classroom designs. I love that the tables are a little bit more bigger than tables we had before, because before they were individual tables. Now it's more inviting because we're in a group and we get to talk to peers we maybe haven't had the chance to talk to before, and it encourages students to get to know each other by putting them in one place.
So I think that this new facility does open itself to providing a outstanding education for our Highlanders for decades to come.
It's an honor to see how quickly construction was able to happen. I didn't think I'd be able to see it, honestly, before I graduated, but I'm gonna be able to see everything, and I'm very excited for that.
The investment was needed. There's no doubt about that.